How to connect TikTok with Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to connect TikTok with Facebook account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch TikTok application on your device and sign into your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on edit profile. Here you need to copy your link of TikTok. The link has been copied. Now you need to proceed to open Facebook application. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right on Facebook and tap your profile underneath menu. On the section, select three dots next to advertise. And after that, you need to select the edit button at top of your screen. Scroll down. Since Facebook is the social media platform, you can tap on links and tap edit button. Tap add social links and here you can easily add the platform and the username and tap on save button and the TikTok account will be linked in this way on your Facebook account. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.